What is going on, everybody? It is Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. Today we are unboxing. I have some new solo loop bands here that are going to be in this ginger color, which is this yellow color here for me and my family because we're all kind of nerds and we like to wear the same band. And then I have this pink citrus band, which is for me as well. But we're going to unbox these and see whether they fit my wrist and whether or not the size that I ordered is going to be the right size for me. So let's get started. If you guys like unboxings and other different type of product review videos, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel with notifications because I have a lot of other product review videos coming through for the new iPhone. Everything's gonna be iPhone and iPad, and in addition to those new Macs that are coming out this month. So make sure you're subscribed. Now, like I said, I ordered originally the size 9 for my Apple Watch, and that was just way too big. It was like basically swimming on my wrist. And unfortunately, when I ordered these, it was probably about 2 days after the event, so I didn't necessarily have the 9 or the watch band 9 that didn't fit me, so these just kind of went through, and I didn't want to cancel them because I was ordering 3 and figuring maybe, hey, well, maybe one will fit. So let's go ahead and put these on my wrist here. I'm going to take off the Apple Watch that we have. This is the blue metallic, and I'm rocking the fluoroelastomer band with the titanium pin from my Series 5 watch. All right, here we go. So really just same packaging, nothing different there. We are opening this up. This is going to be the size 8. And again, this is, I bought one for my wife, one for myself, and one for my son in this ginger colored. This is still too big. Like, yeah, that's still too big. It doesn't even fit my wrist properly. So knowing that this is going to be too big, I guarantee that the pink citrus is going to be too big as well. And so I like this color combination, the blue and yellow. I think it looks really good. I really want to get the blue and red, the braided sports loop, but that's impossible to find because it's not available yet. Here is the red or the pink citrus in size 8 and how that looks. I like that color combination as well. So it seems that the size 8 for me is still too big. Now, let me put on, this is the size 5, but this is for the 40 millimeter watch. I wonder if it fits. Okay, so it does fit the casing. There's just a little bit of extra room on here on the 44 inch. The 44 millimeter. Imagine if it was 44 inches. Wow, that would be a gigantic watch. It'd be like a watch for a giant. Now, this wrist looks super tiny. I don't think it's gonna, oh my God. It's very hard to get on. Hold on. It is snug, but I don't think it's the right size. It seems like it's super snug. Yeah, I don't think that this is the right size. I think I'm a size 6 because this is just a little bit too tight. I do like the way it looks. This is the ginger solo loop for the 40 millimeter and the 42 millimeter. It's very hard to take off. Definitely not a one-handed thing, but I think that my size is actually going to be size 6. I wonder if I can exchange this in the store. I'm going to see if I can find a store location that actually has this in stock near me. Let's find out what we see here. Safari, apple.com. Boom. Apple Watch bands. Nope. Watch bands. Pink citrus loop. I need 44 size 6. Unavailable at any store near me. And it's order today, ships November 2nd. So that's like 3 weeks from now. I don't want the band that bad to wait 3 weeks. This ginger one. Ooh, it's available here to pick up. Wait, do I have the right size? Let's make sure of that. It's available at, oh, PGA. Okay, so that's not too far. Oh yeah, Palm Beach Gardens. That's not too far. Let's select that one. And I wonder if they're going to have, whoa. I wonder if they're going to have, I almost dropped my microphone there. They're going to have the right one for my wife. Let's go add to bag. Let's see, we can do this live. Could you come here for a second? So you're being recorded right now, so you know that. Can you try this on for me? See if it fits. I need you. Where's your watch? This is the size 5. Too big? Too small? You have room in there?
I think it fits.
What do you think?
I think it looks good.
You think it looks good?
Yeah.
Do you want that one?
Yes.
Do you want? I have a size 3 here. If you want to try this, the one I bought for Miles. It's too big.
It's a little too loose.
Yeah, it's too loose.
My right must have to be bigger than my left, and that's where I would wear it. So that would probably be a 4 then.
Probably a 4.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take that off. So it doesn't fit my wife either.
So the sizing is a little off.
Sizing's way off. Yes, sizing is off by by a lot. Thank you. All right, so that doesn't fit Laura either, unfortunately about that. So I guess we're gonna have to try and see if we can find that one as well. Size 4. You have a 40-inch. Size 4, is that available? Check another store. All right, so we were able to find 2 replacement bands, one at a store nearby and another one at a store not too far from here. I'm going to pick them up today. But I would suggest if you get the band and it's not the right size, definitely check your store because some stores have some colors in stock, which is kind of nice. Now, unfortunately, this pink citrus doesn't fit at all. I'm gonna have to return this band, and I don't even know if I'm gonna keep it. Basically, I think I like the yellow better than I do like the pink citrus. But that is gonna do it for me today. Let me know what questions you have in the comments below and what other type of content you'd like to see. Now, I am Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.